Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to Artistic Intentions Studios. Today is day 2 of the fall art tour. It's an annual art tour that I do with a group of artists from this area. My studio has been open. It's 2 o'clock now, so we opened at 1 today. It's from 1 to 5. I had said on Facebook that at 2 o'clock and at 4 o'clock I would do a paint demo. And there's not really anybody here, but I'm going to do it anyway. So I'm going to film it and put it out there on my YouTube channel. This is an 8x10 canvas. I have masking tape on the back to try to help keep the back looking kind of clean and, you know, not as messed up and painted. A little bit more professional. So I think that this time I want to spread out my white. The white is Dutch Boy interior paint. It's mixed with Floetrol and a little bit of water, just mixed to consistency, to the way I like it. A nice coat of white in the background. And then I think I'm gonna take a small cup and I'm going to layer some of these other colors. This is the light teal Master's Touch, or a turquoise color. It's called Viridian. Also mixed with Floetrol and water. So I'm going to put a little bit of that. This is a magenta color. It's called Rouge, also in the Master's Touch. This color is a copper by Art Deco, and I've also put some fine copper colored glitter in this just for an extra bit of bling and some fun. So I'm going to layer that up. It is a metallic, and a lot of the time when you use metallic, you get, if you're lucky, you get some really cool cells. So that's what I'm after with this one. This is a dark teal green. And I'm going to put just a little bit more of the Viridian, the light turquoise, and I want to put a little bit of black in it. Alright, I think we have plenty of color mixed up here. Lids on these so I don't spill them, because we all know that happens. Get a few little paint flecks in here, so I'm going to pick these out. There we go. Alright. And I'll show you now what the cup looks like. I've just layered those colors in. So I'm going to flip cup this. I think I just got paint on my face. Awesome. So I'm just going to flip cup this little cup right here in the center. 1, 2, 3. All right, that wasn't too bad. Is that outside? Or is that you? Oh. My granddaughter is here. She's making a masterpiece. She's painted a Christmas tree. Doing an awesome job. So I'm going to add some more white around the cup. In hopes that this paint will go underneath the white, and as it rises it makes these really cool cells. I do believe I'm going to use a straw to move this paint around once I lift the cup up. So, alright. Here we go, let's do this. Okay. These are some really pretty colors. Look at the cup. Wow. Sometimes the cup's the best part. Towel. Here we go. Okay, I'm just going to take a straw and kind of blow some of this white over the color. Sorry, did I mess you up?
No.
Okay.
Every time you bump into
I
me,
know. I keep bumping into her easel.
And luckily, every time you do bump into it, I'm just reaching for paint, so.
Okay, I got this paint moved around quite a bit. Trying to get some really cool cells in here.
Just gonna move this out of your way.
So I'm just gonna blow these colors out a little bit. Trying to make some interesting cells. And I'm gonna go ahead and tilt this a little bit. Don't want that. There's a lot of really pretty copper up on the top and I don't want to lose all of it. I do want to save some negative space, but I think I want to kind of reach out to the edges. Don't want to lose all those fun cells that I've got there. So I'm going to pull that back a little bit. And that's quite interesting. That copper really is concentrated up here. Kind of a cool, I love these cells here. Looks like we're getting some more cells. I think I will torch this. See if we can come up with some more cells. There's quite a bit of paint on this canvas also, so it's going to continue to move. As it dries, and it'll probably take a while to dry since it's so thick on there. You have to be careful not to get it too thick, because then you'll get cracking. There we go. That opened up a lot of cells. If you can see the white popping there. Nice. Okay. I'm going to pause you and then I'll bring you in for a close-up. Hang on just a minute, guys. Okay, and we are back. This is a really interesting piece so far. There's lots of cells popping up, which is what I was after with this one. Bring you in real close here. This is the lower right hand corner. Lots of really nice cells. There's no silicone in this. This is just the reaction of the paints and the way that I did the pour. And the gold, that metallic, also helps. It's really got some bling in there. You can see as it dries, the glitter will come out. That'll make it nice and fun. Lots of really cool cells over here on the left side. Really nice. And then down here at the bottom, there's another nice area of the copper. So I'm glad that it's kind of spread a little bit. And this down here is just really vibrant. Lots of tiny little cells, lots of color. This is really pretty. I like it. What do you guys think? Leave me some comments if you would down in the comment section. I'd like to know what you think about it. Hope you enjoyed this. Please thumbs up if you did. Share with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't already. And hit that bell so that you'll get notified whenever I upload another video. Thanks for stopping by. And we'll see you again real soon. Till next time, guys.